Previously on Roses and Daggers.
When did I say you can come back here to work?
Last night, when you came to pick me in the house, you said, if I come with you, you won't sack me.
What I said was that I wouldn't fire you if you went along with me.
But it's the same thing.
So where do you belong? Are you a Christian or a Muslim?
None of the above.
What's this world coming to? A child with no faith?
Anyway, are you done discussing dresses?
No, why?
Because I love wedding dresses. Like, you should go for a low cut ball gown.
A low cut? You can tell a lot about a person in just a matter of seconds. The real show starts after the wedding, when everybody has left. And then it will just be between you, your husband, and the bed. And then you get some sweet scented Saturday night powder. Oh, and you're singing waist beats.
So all this is based on a dress a girl wears on that day?
Of course.
I ran away.
Why?
Ifo came to my house with his family members. He wants to marry me. My grandfather made a deal with him, and he spent his money on me. Now he wants his property.
You're kidding me, right? Really? Of course, Daddy's gonna be here before the wedding. You're coming with him, aren't you?
Tell him he ceases to be my son if he fails to attend his sister's wedding.
Did you hear that? I sent you pictures of the dresses. Have you seen them? Please. Let Daddy help you when he gets there with the shopping. You're so bad at it. Daddy, when are you leaving again?
Let's say next week Friday, yeah.
Next Friday. Yeah.
Tell him I will give him a call later in the day.
Daddy's gonna call you later in the day, okay? I don't know. Why don't you ask her? Hold on. He wants to know why you're not coming with Daddy.
Muti, you know I would if I could.
I'm just going venue hunting with my future mother-in-law.
Shh. So what do these two always talk about?
Mommy's pet. But Daddy, seriously, if Muti doesn't come to the wedding, I am not going to talk to him again.
Come on, he will come.
I trust you.
I like your punctuality.
Thank you, madam.
I'll introduce you to your colleagues. Give me a moment.
Okay, madam. Thank you. Please, go straight.
Oh, good morning, Uncle Festus.
Good morning, Valerie. I hear you ladies are going wedding shopping.
No, Auntie Marjorie is showing me some pictures of the event.
All right, don't let her wear you out.
I wouldn't.
Have fun.
Okay. Mommy. Mommy.
Oh, I'm in here, dear. Come.
Look at you.
Oh, lovely girl. How are you? Come, sit.
Right.
Have a seat. We've got a lot of work to do. So, let's begin our research.
I want to talk to you about something. Mm-hmm. I talked to my mother.
Mm-hmm.
I think I have a fair idea of what the past is all about. All I'm trying to say is, I know you may not be in the best of terms with my parents, but I just wish we could have the best of relationship together.
Oh, Valerie, stop talking such nonsense. I do like you. Now, let's get to work.
I know. Wow, that's beautiful.
Dada! 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 Dada!
Hey, Agbe, hey, Eddie answer me. Hey. Kasa.
Dada! Meba. Mami hume dada. Dada.
Kasa, Eddie na yeo.
Meba.
Agbe. Kasa, Eddie na yeo.
Big.
Agbe, Eddie ni big. Agbe, me dwa wani so. Me dwa wani so.
Dada. Asem kesi aba.
Eddie asem.
Dada. Sister Ceci.
Why
Sister Ceci. Dada. Sister Ceci aba.
What's it saying?
Sister Ceci aba.
Oh, hey. Oh, no, hey. Oh, Ceci,
Omu
oh,
tike mo mu ba ha Ceci a.
Huh?
Straight. Please, that's it.
Hey. You'll be fine. Relax. Okay?
Dada.
Ceci.
Dada. I didn't think I would ever see you again.
Ceci, you must go back. Now.
Why?
Efo must not know you are back in town. You must go.
What happened?
There will be no time to explain. But if he gets hold of you, you will never be able to leave this village again.
It's okay. It's fine. Nothing would happen. He can't do anything.
What do you mean?
He would help us. Winifred.
Oh, sorry. I didn't mean to wake you.
What are you doing here?
I just came back from town and I thought I would check up on you.
I'm fine. Thanks.
I also just wanted to ask, what will you be doing tomorrow?
Tomorrow? Nothing. Why?
Well, I was thinking that maybe we can finally go to the movies. But I know you're sleeping right now. So why don't you sleep and we'll talk about this when you wake up?
Fine. But why are you bent on going out?
I want us to be able to go out too, you know? Like sisters. And I want to show you my gratitude.
It's not important.
It is to me.
Fine. We will go out tomorrow. But hey, this is my room. And you can't just come in at your own will. You have to know that, okay?
Yeah, sure. Right, sorry.
No problem. Thank you.
It's so beautiful.
It is, but I'm worried about the size.
Size? This looks big enough.
How many people are you expecting at this event?
No less than 200 people. I don't have enough friends, you know.
But you forget who Joshua himself is.
He doesn't have friends either.
He still knows people. Business acquaintances, call them whatever you like. My dear, your wedding is not one for 200 people. My guest list plus Festus's. And then, well, consider that your mother is also a little well known as well. This is a highly elite wedding. Everyone will want to be there.
So how many people are we looking at?
800 should be reasonable. But we should budget for above that.
800? That's like almost 1,000.
Well, what do you expect? Come on, let's look at the next one.
Yeah, I must see for myself if it is true. They thought they could hide her forever. They should hide her and let me see. A gomanore. Do you know where I passed? I said it. That wherever they push her, me, I will pull her out. I will pull her out. A gomanore. No. Do they know where I passed? They don't know. We shall see today. I am going there to confirm with my very eyes, my own very eyes, or my very own eyes, that she has come back. So, Makaonyo. Hey, man, me, Garuga, I don't do investment just like that. So, I don't do investment just like that. Wherever she is, I will pull her out. So, plenty investment. Just like that. I will pull her out. And I said it. I don't do bad business. People like that, man. Yeah, man. Oh, boy. Oh. Ayo.
Afo,
Davi.
Atantro, Ajo. You are no longer welcome in this compound. Tron Ajo.
Egba nyamala welcome re o compound o.
Crow.
We zo do marina
I'll
mo.
mail you.
Ayo. Magadu jakona vo. Nyaro ko mama po. Ba anya asemale yama. Natape onya. But my prized possession is back.
I am not your possession.
What's he saying?
When you were by not going to talk with Betty, none to long and not a bewa. But come with your power. Then you bugali de talk with Bot not Glenny. Efiade. Ow. Tro, Naju. But I come here with you.
Hallelujah.
Tro.
I know, Tonto. It is very good, but I nyapa. I nya dropper. I let me see the talk with Bo. Eye, Tuba, na take note. Nanonya for Jihan. Banya mafia ke yigo. Vasere is mamie a dronya talk with Bo. Nyatapa. Hey, name dronya for. We will see who have the best laugh. Nyamio lafia. Don't you come here?
Can someone tell me exactly what is going on?
Exactly what? I will tell you, but Dory, I will tell you. Look at your face.
What Tron Ajo like Plabanka?
Oh. Ada, I never met Trojo. Ayo.
That's all. I for the cafe, make a few. Tron.
Yehovah.
That's all. I for the camera logo.
Sassy, and you.
Sit down. Let him issue his threats. Who cares?
Isn't this fabulous?
It is, I agree.
And it's big enough. We could have the guest here, the buffet set up over there, and you guys will have your setup right there. It's splendid.
It is, but isn't it too far?
Far from?
I mean town, considering the traffic gets in there.
If there's going to be any traffic, it's going to be caused by the wedding. That's why it's important for it to be as far out of town as possible. Now we could find you guys a hotel so that you go up the night before the wedding. We'll have all the staff on site, and I can even go up a week prior to the event.
But I'm supposed to have my traditional wedding a day before, and traveling all the way back there and coming all the way back here will be a lot of stress.
That's true. Well, maybe we could have the traditional wedding here.
No. I wanted it in my father's house. He wouldn't even agree to that.
Okay, well, we'll come up with something. But let's not rule this out yet. Let's take a look at number 3.
So let me get this straight. The only way you can get out of this is if you pay back everything that he's ever spent on you.
Yes.
How are you going to determine that? I mean, did you take receipts?
No. I think that's just the way to say that there is no way out of this. Because they know that we do not have the means to pay.
What if you do?
Then we would have to wait for him to state his price.
Okay, so let's wait.
What is he saying? Is he that rich?
Ago.
Amen.
Amara ukure na miro.
Good day.
Odoko ntona nyangu ya tamale fiaro. Togbe no yin play for me apete be my over be feel like.
Yo, merci. Agbana.
Me okulu na va be feel like le jon. For me apete no yin.
Me be me selo, me la yo me, Agbana.
Kana va kabalo.
Messenger from the palace.
Ooh, I remember coming here for an event some time back. I thought the place looked magical.
It looks a bit plain here. I don't know. Maybe the florist and the decorator did a good job.
You're right. Maybe I'll call my friends and ask for their contact. What do you think?
Yeah, sure. You can give me pictures of the night if you still have them. Not that I don't trust your judgments.
Oh, I understand. I'll get them for you. As a matter of fact, I'd like to see them myself. If I recall correctly, I had a bit too many glasses that night. You know, the liquor could have played tricks on my eyes.
Just maybe.
Well, I'm a bit famished. What do you say we take a break? Get something to bite.
Thank God. I thought you never asked.
Oh, I'm so glad.
Joji number mia via ta mia sora fia gojia. Joji number waro juama. Masabo egbo. Chami ata fe.
Interpret ka egbo.
Ayo akpa.
Wala dia do ma fia kwa.
Ayo akpa. Kana yabo le do ma de. Ata dia kwa fia mia.
Yeah, tu goji tu.
Oh, bueno, raison. What is your name?
Sasi Sedodo.
Sadonga. Sasi Sadodo. You're welcome. Do you know the man sitting down over there?
How would she not know me?
Yes, Togbe.
How well do you know him?
He's a very popular man in this village.
Is that all you know about me?
Did you know of any agreement between your family and Efo Gaduga?
Yes, Togbe.
Tell us.
My family owes him. He took care of me and my grandfather, and in return for my hand in marriage.
Mm-hmm. Then why did you run away?
Togbe asks you a question. Answer.
Because I don't want to marry him.
My daughter, did you know the implication of your action? Running away despite your obligation to this man was not fair. You know that. Don't you? You made him a fool.
A very big fool.
A laughing stock. Coming back to this village, how ready are you to resolve this case? Are you ready to marry him?
No, Togbe.
Afo, you've heard it from the horse's own mouth. She says she's not ready to marry you. What do you say?
Ayo, Chami. It's your daughter. She doesn't want to marry. Okay. No problem. Fair enough. But you were the one who drew the conclusion on this matter. And if I remember correctly, you said that if she should return to this land with another mouth on her back or with another man, oh, that will not be any matter. I have the right to take my woman back. I can't fear the faces, strange, unknown faces I am seeing here. Togbe, I hope what you are going to speak or say will be very fair. I hope so. But fair no going to.
Togbe and the elders, I also remember quite well another provision Togbe made. And that was if my Sissy, you said my Sissy will be free to lead her life if we are able to pay Efo Gaduga all the money he spent on her.
And your husband.
And on my husband's sickness.
Including the operation, including the operation.
Including everything.
Oh. Are you? You think you have a man sitting by you who drives a big car, so you are doing a bogology? Oh, fair enough, no problem. You just be raising your shoulders. A bogology man, me bogara. Fair enough.
Therefore, the family has made its intention known to you, and I will stand by my words. The only way Ceci can regain her freedom is to be in readiness to pay you back all that you spend on her and the entire family. Okay, name me your price.
I go, Jamie. Let it reach to me, but I have something to say. I want Dada and her granddaughter and everyone gathered here to know that, the long and short is that what I'm trying to say is, inflation has affected my expenditure. So everything has doubled. That I am going to double everything I have paid for. Number one. Number two, for the problem they have caused to my heart, the trauma, a broken heart, I have to be compensated. Number two. Number three, in fact, I don't want any kind of barter to say you give me house, you give me land, you give me, I want everything cash. Price a guy. I want everything in cash.
Won't you? Omenyo, agbemenyo now. Tagwasasa now, you are a wicked man. I thought you say you need a gold. Cash.
No, langkuta now. No. Gold ko biata, ya mako gold ko bia maraketa. Ira ma cash magban.
You better you say gold.
Cash magban. Ta nyama bata rakajimo. I don't want any barter. I want everything cash. Yeah, I have landed.
Ta honeni nye Ghana blerenchi.
Oh, Chami, let it reach talk. I want to do some calculation.
Bana nyaba yi malam yasio.
Oh.
Hey, we've got to go. So I'll text you the time later this evening or early tomorrow morning. Just get your guy ready tomorrow.
I don't think you are serious.
Wait, hold on. I thought we had a deal.
The sudden changes in plan don't help.
Okay, so exactly what are you trying to tell me right now?
I am considering aborting the deal.
Listen, this may be my only window.
We can't afford any more changes in plan.
I'm not going to change it. I promise.
We are done if there is any more changes.
Listen, when are you free to meet?
When are you?
Whenever. I'll meet you anywhere.
Well, why do you want us to meet?
I've got a new proposal for you.
Are you going to make any more changes?
No, I'm not changing it. You know, but this is about you and me.
You know what? For me, it's all about business.
Listen, okay? I really can't talk like this. Please just send me a text telling me when and where, and I'll be there. In the meantime, I told you, get your guy ready. Because I'm telling you, we can do this without a hassle quickly.
I'll text you the time and place.
Okay.
You will hear from me.
All right.
Bye.
Bye.